quotient. What is quotient? Quotient, what does it indicate? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Division. So quotient of x and 5 mean I am taking x and dividing it by 5. So this is the quotient. Then you may run into something called square roots. So what is the square root of 4?
2.
And what is the square root of 9?
3.
So you may be asked for some square roots or simplify some square roots. Then you may be asked questions of some word problems like the product of -6 and a number is 36. Find the number. So how do we do those kind of problems? Word problems. The product of product, what comes through mind? Adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Multiplying. So product of -6 and a number. If we don't know number, what do we call it? X. So product means multiplication. So -6 times x equals 36, right? So how do we find x? We divide both sides by what? -6. We have to divide it exactly by the same number to get rid of it. And we divide this by -6. So this disappears and x, that number becomes what? 6?
-6.
Yeah, because this is positive 36, remember? So positive and negative make negative. If it was -36, then the answer will be positive. Right? Then you may be asked to identify like terms. Like terms. So you think 3x and 5x is like terms? Yes or no?
Yeah.
What about 3x square and 5x?
No.
No. See, the variable part doesn't look exactly this. Even though the base variable is the same x, but because of the exponent part, it's unlike terms. And remember, many of these questions were already in your chapter tests.
How many questions going to be on the test?
On each section, Tuesday and Thursday, 30 each. Same as on your regular test, but that's why it's in 2 parts. Because it had 60 questions, so I split it into 2 parts. And it carries double the weight, right? Carries double the weight. The next thing you may want to brush on is is 4/5. You may be asked to compare what? Fractions, right? So how do we compare fractions? 4/5 and 5/6. Which one is bigger, for example? So what is this sign? Less than. This one? And this one? Okay, so you will be asked to put one of those signs in that box, that space. So how do you compare fractions? Do you guys remember how to compare them?
Same denominator.
Yeah, we have to came. And what is the common denominator between 5 and 6? Huh? 30. So we have to bump this up to 30 by folding up 6 times. Then we have to fold this up 6 times. And this we have to fold up how many times?
5.
So this fold up 5. So this becomes what? 4 times 6? 24/30. And this becomes... So is it easy? Which one is 24 pieces out of 30 more than or less than 25 pieces out of 30? Do you see that? So when you are asked to compare two fractions, what do?
Take denominator.
You find the common denominator and you